Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log out Viber on PC. So if you also want to log out Viber on PC, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Viber on your PC. You can see over here I've already opened it. So if you want to log out of Viber on PC, unfortunately there is no option for logging out. But in order to log out of your option, what you can do is deactivate your Viber account on this device. In order to do that, what you have to do is click on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here settings will be opened. At left you'll be able to find several options of settings over here. You'll be able to find the options like account, Viber out, call settings, media, etc. Make sure privacy and security option is selected. In this interface you'll be able to find several options related to privacy and security. So what you have to do is scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find the section for deactivate Viber on desktop. If you deactivate Viber on desktop, it will delete your conversation history and app data on desktop. Your conversation history will still be available on other Viber devices. So it is basically like logging out of your account on desktop. So what you have to do is click on the deactivate option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. So simply click on the option deactivate. Now you can see over here you'll be logged out of Viber on PC. So that is how you log out Viber on PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.